In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to see Disney Plus new releases this month. Let's get started. The first method is directly through the Disney Plus app or website. Open the Disney Plus app on a phone, tablet, smart TV, or computer, or visit the Disney Plus website and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, scroll through the homepage until you find New to Disney Plus or New Releases section. This area highlights the latest movies, series, and exclusive content that have recently been added to streaming service. Simply browse the available titles and select any movie or show you would like to start watching. If you want to see everything that's coming to Disney Plus this month, you can also use your web browser. Launch your preferred browser, head over to the official website of Disney Plus. This page regularly publishes monthly release schedules, including upcoming movies, TV series, documentaries, and special events arriving on Disney Plus. Browse the latest announcements to see what's available now and what will be released later in the month, making it easy to plan your watch list in advance. So that's it. This is how you can easily see Disney Plus new releases for this month. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.